Hello everyone, we are going to show you one hand gestures and two hand gestures.
One hand gestures.
Padaga, Tripadaga, Arthapadaga, Katrimukam, Mayuram, Arthachandran, Aralam, Shipadundam, Bushti, Shigaram, Kabittam, Kadagamugam, Bushti, Shigaram, Kabittam, Kadagamugam, Bushti, Shigaram, Kabittam, Kadagamugam, Suji, Chandrakala, Padmagosham, Sarpasirsa, Mrigashirsham, Simhamugam, Kangulam, Alapatmam, Chaduram, Ramayaram, Hamsasyam, Hamsabaksham, Samtamsham, Mugulam, Tamarashuram, Trishulam. Anjali, Tabogam, Karkedam, Sostigam, Dolam, Pushpapudam, Ulsengam, Shivalingam, Dolam, Pushpapudam, Ulsengam, Shivalingam, Kadagavardhanam, Kattari Sustigam, Kadagavardhanam, Kattari Sustigam, Shagadam, Shangar, Chakram, Sambudam, Pasha, Kilagav, Malsyam, Kurmam, Veraham, Gerudan, Nagabandam, Gedva, Berunda Gargasta, Avahita Sadevaja.